Ladies and gentlemen, today is drift day number 1 of 2. It's currently about 7 o'clock at night. Going down to Mineral Wells. It's a big, massive skid pad where they're doing drift events. Supposedly they've been doing it all day long. We're coming down here a little bit later for the night session. Also tomorrow, all day long till about 5. So should get plenty of seat time. Got the BMW behind us. Got it all situated, got the lights on there. Should be a fun day. We've never been down here before. Curious to see how it's going to be, but nonetheless should be fun.
Yeah. Dude, you gotta get up to like 110.
I think it's a speed thing. Send that to me.
Look dope out there though.
I still have a fuel like a cutout at 5500.
Yeah, I heard that.
Just did a couple laps in the Beamer, like 10 to 15 laps, holding up good. LEDs are not quite falling off yet with our packing tape. It's definitely getting there. It's getting dark out here at the event. There's a lot of people. They got a little training course over here, which is nice for people starting out. And they got the long one with the long sweeper up ahead. You're doing about 70 or 80, falling in about top of third gear and dropping down. Fun course. Got these stickers going, the decals. I think it came out nice. I like that.
Yo, go full sauce on it.
Dude, you gotta save that. Save that for the nights. What is that, a nice little yellow? You got the Perpsky Perps? Oh, that's nice. Start the night session. They got the lit cones out there. Literally, they're cones with little lights in them so you can see them. Got the LEDs rolling out. Should be a lot of fun. This thing is sick. Night drifting by. Woo-hoo. About 12:15, first day, did a lot of night drifting there. These cool cones set up with lights in them, which are pretty visible at night. So they got that long sweeper in the dark. It's a lot of fun. The Walmart tires are not holding up very well, so I might need to run up to Walmart and actually get another set, because that's my only option for tomorrow. Started raining about 12:31 a.m. They're still going though. It's wet. I have no sunroof or windows. Oh no. It's 1:15. It started pouring on. It's downpouring. It's still, you can't see, but it's definitely it's raining hard.
He's wet.
I'm soaked. We got some rain drifting in for the first time. Definitely fun. It's different. We're about to go to Walmart because I'm gonna see if they have tires and also get some snacks. Made it. 2 a.m. They were open. Let's grab some. Find the 205s. Morning of day 2. It's like 7 a.m. Sun just came up. It's our sleeping situation last night. Me and Jordan were on the trailer. Andy was in the tent because it was raining and it was kind of wet around the trailer, but hey, gotta make it work. Wasn't too bad. Got some tires last night at Walmart. They're in the back of the truck right now, so I need to go ahead, take some of these off in a bit, put the new ones on, get a full day drifting ahead of us. Oh, and also last night it started downpouring on us, and I don't have sunroof, and it's pooling up in the back a little bit, and seats are still soaked, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that.
Hydro needed.
right now, John is teaching Andy how to drift. He's never drifted before. He drives a Honda. No judgment there. I respect him. He's cording already on the tires.
Midway through day 2, teaching the boys little ropes with the drifting. We're out here doing some figure eights. Got a little chair set up. Andy just finished. He killed it. Jordan's about to roll. We got some tires. They're pretty bald. Jordan's gonna do a reverse entry on this chair. It's gonna be sick. Hydro, angle. I don't even have angle, but hey. Daddy Shanks is JZ Lexus. Looks good, dude. Looks good. We're wrapping up day 2 here at Mineral Wells. It's been a great weekend for sure. Letting Jordan and Andy fire up some tires. Got a little left over on a couple of them, so they're throwing them on. Let them do some little donuts and maybe even run the small track in the E36. The car's holding up really good. Definitely could use a little bit of angle out there. I think I'm going to try to get that before the next event on the 21st and 22nd. I'm trying to get another GoPro to give you guys an outside shot. Also, you can kind of tell the angle of the car a little bit better from the outside. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Have a good one, guys.